guys, I'm Kayla from Kayla to the Letter, and over the past few weeks I've shown you a few videos now. They're all about toolboxes, and it's actually part of a series I've been doing called the Brush Calligraphy Beginner's Toolbox series. I'm going to show you 3 of them. I've already shown you 2 of them so far. The first one was the Essentials Budget Toolbox, and it's basically filled with only the supplies that you absolutely need to begin calligraphy. They're all amazing supplies, but they're also affordable too. So the Essentials Budget Toolbox is perfect for somebody who just wants to give calligraphy a good, honest try. The next toolbox is called Toolbox number 2, which is the Healthy Budget Toolbox. The Healthy Budget Toolbox is a lot like the first one, only it's got a little bit more options to play with. So this one's perfect if you really like colors and you like to explore and play when you're practicing your calligraphy. That one's perfect for you. Toolbox number 3, which is the one that we're getting into today, is called the BALLER Budget Toolbox. The BALLER Budget Toolbox is filled with all the amazing brush calligraphy beginner supplies. It's got a whole bunch of pens, a whole bunch of pencils, and lots of tools for you to create amazing things with your new calligraphy skill. Each supplies list includes at least one of my Level Up Brush Calligraphy workbooks, where I will guide you in great detail on how to create beautiful brush calligraphy with your brush pens or your pencils. So today we're going to focus on toolbox number 3, the BALLER Budget Toolbox. Let's go. And that's a wrap for the Brush Calligraphy Beginner's Toolbox series. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this series. I know that when I was first starting calligraphy, I would have loved to have seen videos like this. So if you liked this and you learned something, leave a comment below and hit the like button and subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. If you haven't watched all of my videos from this series yet, go ahead and do that because they're all really helpful and they all give you great ideas on where to find really great supplies for starting out in calligraphy. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. If you guys have any suggestions at all, anything that you guys want to see from me in the future, leave a comment below too, and I'd love to hear from you. See you later.
Live and in love.